Welcome back to my scalp maxing series. And today, guys, we went in and out of trades super fast during one session, being the New York City session market open. Now, I live recorded all of my trades like I do every single day, and I was live on TikTok, live on Discord, and if you guys don't want to miss out, make sure you guys tune in. Now, before I go into break down why I took the trades that I did, let's show you guys the live trades.
Order filled. Order filled.
And the craziest thing is I literally traded exactly what I said I needed to do and exactly what I said I would do in the trade ideas tab. So you guys can see. So I posted in Discord on the 5-minute short scalp level, using these previous candlesticks as levels to play from for today. Trading break and retest for breakouts, using candlestick to read confirmations, and I told everybody to have a great day. So pay attention to this level and that level. That's all I traded today. You can see it's this level and that level there. So I try to take longs above this break and retest above this most, you can see this nice little resistance level. Was holding nicely, then came all the way back down, broke below, and guys, this is literally a rejection of the trade setup because I'm holding and trying to take longs. Reason why I say that is because I'm trying to take longs or calls or whatever you want to call it, bets to the upside on this level, meaning that moment it breaks below this level, that means it's a no longer valid trade idea. So it almost stopped me out here, but then it gave me a chance, an opportunity to exit. But not only that, this is also even a break and retest to the downside. You can see, try to hold this level, breakout, pull back, retest entry. So I entered short. Saw a nice 89, 90-ish dollars here. Then boom, big candle took me out at break even, meaning that I didn't make no money on it. So ultimately, guys, we literally are walking away with just $39. Trading exactly the levels that we said we would trade, which is great, except we made no money. Now, the last trade that I missed was this very simple setup here, a breakdown to the downside for a nice rejection. The reason why I didn't take it is because you can kind of see over here, it didn't necessarily do that. I didn't want it to do exactly what it did here, but except it did look like it was obviously going to do that when you go on higher time frames. You can see it bounce one time here, then it ultimately looks very weak here. So either way, we're going to end it here, and guess what we're going to do? We're going to go ahead and hit a nice lockout. Now, the great thing is we have a payout on the way, which is coming. So as you guys can see, we made $1,700 just about, but we only have $1,000 in our balance. And every day has been green. So what does that mean? That means we took payout. That means we took some money out of our account to pay ourselves while also making money. Every day has been green, and I'm very grateful, very thankful, and I hope to catch you guys on the next one. If you guys enjoyed this live trading series, don't miss out, and make sure you become a part of the community where you can learn exactly the strategy I use to trade live, which is right now. And if you're struggling to find entries, guys, which is very simply how I spot my entries confidently, because again, this is a break and retest entry. This is a break and retest to the downside for an entry. I'm very confident in my entries. It's not a guess. It's a very simple strategy. So if you guys want to learn that strategy, then click the link in the bio. Also, you guys will get access to the courses as well. 0 to hero. Learn every single strategy that I use, as well as even risk management and trading. Hope to see you guys in there. Hope you guys enjoy this video.